Microsoft finally launched Loop, their own competitor to Notion. Now we know that Notion is this popular task manager and project manager application. They launched Loop for the public preview recently, and using Loop you can sync your projects and tasks across Microsoft 365 apps and services. Now Microsoft is also trying to enter into workspace tools. Now here Loop also has the progress tracking tools for projects, and it also includes two-way sync for different services. Now here in Loop you have three main elements. The first one is the Loop components, you have Loop pages and Loop workspaces, and it can be used to paste real-time blocks of content into apps like Outlook, Microsoft Teams and Word. Loop also features AI-powered co-pilot assistant. Now here we have workspaces and pages where you can import and organize tasks, projects and documents. Now here you can turn any page into a real-time block of content and you can paste it directly into Microsoft Teams and other tools. Now the great thing here is the components are constantly updated and editable for everyone they are shared with. Now if you are working on a table and if you drop that component into Microsoft Teams, then anyone can edit it and the edit will be reflected wherever it's shared. Now here we can say that the interface looks similar to Notion, but Loop pages are basically empty pages and you can also use some templates designed to help you get going. Here Loop will support up to 50 people editing a workspace at once. You can also create progress trackers and custom labels, and you can even sync your data to to-do list. If you are already using Trello, then you can also import your board directly from there. Now here Loop components are basically JavaScript widgets, and that's how users collaborate while working, and they will stay in sync across all the Microsoft 365 apps. Now here AI-powered Copilot will provide different suggestions, and users can also edit the suggestion and then share them. Now you can say that Microsoft is trying to enter into Notion's consumer base, but Notion is a very mature product we can say, and they have this large integration of different applications. But the advantage here in Loop is that you can use components across all the Microsoft 365 applications. Some users are also saying that this is the 100% clone of Notion. Microsoft Loop is already available for the public preview, and that's how businesses and consumers will get access to this early version of the software. You will need Microsoft account or Azure Active Directory account, and you can access it directly through web app. But iOS and Android versions will be available soon. What do you guys think about the Microsoft Loop? Please comment down below. Do you think this one is a great competitor to Notion or not? Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you later.